friends, and in this tutorial we are just going to look over some more data binding. So we are going to look over how to send data from outside an element to it. So here what I'm gonna do is just remove all these tags, plus I'm just also going to remove this value. Okay, and so now we are gonna see how to send data from outside an element. So one of the ways of doing that is that wherever you make this new element tag included in your code, just go over to that tag and write the name of the property that you want to send to. Like in our case it was foo, and just send whatever you want to. So like I'll said Nike, and if you just go in that place, and here you can see that there's no other element that is instantiating or kind of adding to the value of this foo. So if you go into the code editor, if you go into the browser, sorry, okay, we see that Nike has been populated, and yeah, you can see already here that there's no other code that's that's changing this value of this foo. So I'll go ahead and try out with one other example. So this time we will take another name, like why not just try like apple. Okay, I'll keep all this small and I'll just write is great. Okay, so now you can see that it's actually not been populated yet. We have to first go on to the new element and write on apple. But if we do this, we'll see again that this thing hasn't worked. So to make this thing work, as I had explained earlier, if in case you have not seen that tutorial, please go back to that tutorial in which I explain why not to put any spaces or any kind of other words in this in between these tags. So if we just go back, we see that is great company and Nike have been populated. So basically that's how you implement a data binding in which you have to send data from outside. In further tutorials, I promise there won't be much of more data binding, but still there's a little bit of more data binding left, which we may cover in the future tutorials. So thank you, and definitely subscribe to the channel, and bye.